let me show you how to achieve this look without having to cut your hair, guys. Hey guys, so today we'll be crocheting our hair. As I said, we are not cutting our hair. Yes, so let me start this very fast before. Oh, I did not finish that thought. This is my baby. I'm just giving him some love. I was like, please, can you let Mama do her hair today? Please, just give me 10 minutes. No, I mean 2 hours. For the hair, we're going to be cutting into 3. Yes, since we want it short. Sometimes I do into 4, but today I don't know what happened. I said let me cut into 3. So that's what I'm doing, just cut into 3. And this hair is very easy because as you can see, it's really demarcated for you. You just take a piece out or 2 if you want. Yes, so let's start. It's very easy. It's a very fast process. It doesn't really take time. See guys, in a year now, I feel like cutting my hair like at least 3 times. So whenever I just feel like cutting my hair, this is what I do, guys. This is it. Yes, I do this because after a month, I want my hair back. So I just do this to just have the feel. And again, it's lightweight. It's very easy to maintain. Like, it's just to really crochet and chill, guys. I just chill. I don't have to worry. I've done this in so many other colors. I've done this in black. Yes, that is the same hair but black. Nobody's going to know. You think it's my hair. Omo. See, let me put you guys on. Just do this. So I just thought of it one day and I did it. And ever since then. And some days I do gold. See guys, hey, you know I'm rocking this hair. You know I like to rock short hair, but I don't want to lose my hair. I don't want to lose my hair, but I like short hair. I was like, this is the last packet left. So I was like, am I sure it's going to be enough? So I had to cut now into 4. So I just start by cutting into 4 because you don't want to run out of hair. Yeah, and the packet of this is less than $5. Imagine. So this hair costs less than $15, guys. Yeah, so everything is nice. I'm just going to use a mirror to guide me as I trim it down because I really want it short, like very low. This is a typical example of when they say trust the process because I have no experience in trimming hair. I'm just going with the flow, with the feeling like yes, the hair is coming together, guys. I've never tried this color before. This is my first time actually trying this color. It's looking so nice already. Let me know if you're going to try this, guys. If you ever think of cutting your hair and you're not too sure, try this instead. Try this, guys. You're going to love it. It's lightweight. It's cool. Nobody's going to know that it's not your hair. Okay, guys, if this is your first time of seeing me, please do like to watch my first video so you know what my channel is about. And thank you for watching till the end, and bye.